much you could do or say to faze me. People think I'm a little bit crazy. I get it from all angles, even occasionally. Doc Drazy will have to step in every once in a while to save me, to make me stop and think about it before I just say things. Sometimes I forget what other people just make think. A lot of rappers probably wouldn't know how to take me if they heard some shit I made a tape before they erase me. I may be a little too fast-paced and racy. Sometimes the average listener rewinds and plays me 20 times cause I say so many rhymes it may seem like I'm going too fast cause my mind is racing. And I could give a fuck what category you place me. I'm pushing up daisies and going as long as you place me amongst one of them greats. When I hit the heavenly gates, I'll be cool beside Jay-Z. Forever singing die-hard fan who embrace me. I'm thankful for the talent in which God gave me, and I'm thankful for the environment that He placed me. Believe it or not, I thank my mom for how she raised me in the neighborhood daily to jump and chase me. It only made me what I am today. See, regardless of what anybody believes who hates me, you ain't gonna make or break me, trying to strip me of my credibility and make me look fake. See, you're only gonna be in for a rude awakening, cause sooner or later the haters are all gonna face me. And when you face me with all the shit you've been saving to say to me, you had all this time to think about it now. Don't pussy out and try to about face me, cause I've been patiently waiting for the day that we finally meet in the same place to see.
No matter how many battles I've been in and won, no matter how many magazines on my nuts, no matter how many MCs I eat up, oh, it's never enough. No matter how many battles I've been in and won, no matter how many magazines on my nuts, no matter how many MCs I eat up, oh, it's never enough.
My flow's untouchable, now you gotta fix it. Uh-oh, it gets worse when I go back to the basics. You go say the wrong shit and get your whole face split. The smell of victory, love it so much I can taste it. I spot my target, blaze it, direct hit. Crazy, you peace talk, say that your shit sounds dated, you're over, rated up, get it up, study your moves, then crush you motherfuckers. If I'm the best in the worst, then God's give us a curse. So you train to destroy, you paying attention, boy. I spit shit, slick shit, so quick you miss it. To be specific, I go ballistic, it's hieroglyphic. My music is a drug, press play, you ain't gotta sniff it. Shoot it or pop it, roll the bag of the chop it. It'll get you high over and over, but you gotta cop it. When it's hot, you hating, it's undeniable, stop it.
No matter how many battles I've been in and won, no matter how many magazines on my nuts, no matter how many MCs I eat up, oh, it's never enough. No matter how many battles I've been in and won, no matter how many magazines on my nuts, no matter how many MCs I eat up, oh, it's never enough.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. Republic, which stands one nation, under God.
It feels so good to be back. Scrutinize every word, memorize every line. I spit it once, refuel, re-energize and rewind. I get sight to the blind, mind sight through the mind. I exercise my right to express when I feel it's time. It's just all in your mind, what you interpret it as. I say the fight, you take it as I'm with someone's ass. If you don't understand, don't even bother to ask. A father who has grown up with a fatherless past, who has grown up now to rap phenomenon that has, or at least shows no difficulty multitasking and juggling both. Perhaps mastered his craft slash entrepreneur who has helped launch a few more rap acts, who has had a few obstacles thrown his way through the last half of his career. Typical manure, moving past that. Mr. Kid